Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you some of the coolest new ways Canva has updated the use of the creation of videos within the platform. So I'm going to focus on the templates and show you how we can update them, and maybe probably you create them using our own elements or materials that we can just go ahead and use to generate something. So while I'm on my platform, assuming I logged into my Canva account and I'm here, I'm just going to go straight to videos and I can select anything. For example, you can go ahead and start by coming to templates in here. While in templates, you can see the different templates that they have added wonderfully in the platform. You can also go ahead and click on video so that you can be specific with the video templates. You can see we have mobile video, landscape video, TikTok video, Instagram reels, YouTube video, Facebook video, and so on. Video messages, video collage, feed ads video. You can click on this collage and be able to see multiple different types of video that you can kind of create depending on which product you are trying to create. You can add in your images if it needs to be images, and then you'll be able to generate your videos directly like this, maybe holiday, and you can be able to use this to show the different kind of video in form of collage of images or combination of videos directly. Once you just select any one of them, you can go ahead and upload your pictures and it's going to give you something interesting like this. So let's go back a little bit. Down here you have Canva AI video effects. You can see so many of them that you can easily use. You can add your picture to this and it's going to give you this wonderful effect of your video copy machine effect, and you can see so many of them in here. You can add your image and it is going to give you this bubble effect directly. You can see so many of them, this photo booth effect and this submerged gaze. You can see so many of them, and down here also you have another bunch of different kind of templates that you can work with. So let me just select one and let's see how we can make use of it. For example, we can click on this one and you can see add your image to be able to generate or recreate something like this. So we can go ahead and click on add an image. So we can select from the available images that we have. Alternatively, you can go ahead and upload your image. So I'm going to upload this image, for example, and just try to see how we can be able to use it. So let's select this image and let's see how we can be able to create something like that. So let's just give it some seconds and while the video is being generated. And as you can see, the video has just been created. Let's just play to have a preview of what we have generated. So this is wonderfully created. You can see the cloud and the bubble nature, everything is intact and is ready. So you can regenerate again if you want, and you can download this out of Canva, or you can edit or open in editor to continue with the editing, for example. So let's say we'll click on open in editor and you'll be able to see all of this you can have access to, and we can continue to edit depending on maybe you want to add a voiceover to maybe create something out of this particular tool that you have created. Right, so you can see you have a bunch of different controls over this, so that you can proceed to do many other editings if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.